We packed our bags, the sun was rising high, hit the open road, just my friends and I.
Hello, today we are unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the actual creator combo, which has got your extras. I did get it today. So yeah, I've only ever held one, I know someone had bought one, I just held it. They're quite heavy, so we'll just have to see when we open it. So I've not opened it, still got the shrink wrap on it. I did buy it from Argos, and I'll release the price of it when at the end of the review. So here we go. It does say wide angle lens. It's got in the pack, because it's a creator pack, it comes with extras. It's got the transmitter, which is your voice that connects to that, and then you got your battery handle. So I'm not sure if that's like an extension. So and on the back it's got these attributes, which is your 1-inch CMOS, 4K at 120, and you've got the screen, which is only a small screen, but you can link to your phone if you've got a compatible phone. So we'll have a look at that guy. But this is just an unboxing, so until I get actually used to it. So it's a 3-axis gimbal mechanical can't say it, stabilizer. I have got on my videos sometimes I use a gimbal, which is quite bulky, and it takes forever to actually put your phone into it. So this hopefully will be better. It's got active track, which tracks your movements. What else have we got here? Full pixel fast focusing. These are they're going one ear out. So what's that? Is that D-Log or D-Lag? D-Log M at 10-bit. I don't know. Stereo recording. I think it's got about three speakers, plus you've got your speaker if you want it on yourself, and then it's pocket sized. So, and then these are all the extras, which is comes in the thing, which is a protective cover, carrying bag. It's got obviously your Type C USB. I'm hoping the Samsung charger will work on this. And obviously it's the Mic 2 transmitter. I think in about 12 months time, I think they're bringing the Pocket 4 out, so I'm sure that'll probably have the newer transmitter. Your magnetic clip, because obviously you can clip it wherever you want in your body. A handle with a 1/4-inch thread. What's that? DJI Mic 3. Oh, it's the sound muffler. It's like a bit of fluff you put on your thing. Obviously, you got your battery handle, your wide angle lens, which is obviously part of the creator pack, which gives you wider lens. Your tripod. Sorry about the focusing. I'm using my phone, and I'm not exactly the steadiest. And then you got a wrist strap. So let's have a look. I did buy this from Argos this afternoon. So let's get into it. It's this silly film stuff. Oh, there you go. I have actually purchased a what do you call them? Not warrant. Is it warranty? Insurance sort of thing. It basically covers me for water damage, which I got a feeling this isn't watertight, so you can't put it underwater. I think mild rain you can, but obviously you don't want to be having it out when it's full on throwing down. So it's got security, so let's break that security, or let's have a I hate tape when you know you can't open it. My focusing is on my phone is being silly, but this is only a quick. So let's just pull that off, put it to one side. Let's have a look. Silica gel. Don't eat it, anyone. It's not good because you'll hurt yourself. As you can see, this is my daughter's play table. Well, not play table, but a crafts table that she does her crafts on. Because I need a table, really. But right, let's pull it out. Let's have a look. Right, you've got your DJI forum. Don't know what that is. I think that is. It's like a forum, and you've got your quick start guide. You got some stickers, which are kind of cool. Maybe put them on the side of the case. Who knows? What's this? It is in Chinese. It's the guarantees and warranties piece of paper. But obviously I bought Argos's cover, but it's actually is it domestic and general domestic, one of them. What's this? It is, I don't know, what does that say? Create a combo. I think it's just about the extras. So right, what's in here? I think these are the extras, so we'll do the extras first. Let's have a look. I think this is the actual case. Okay, there's nothing else in there, so let's have a look. I think this is just the carrying case so it doesn't get wet in you. So yeah, it's the protective cover. It's hard rubber, so it's got a place where you can stick your wide angle lenses and stuff, which is kind of cool, which is what I'll have. Black Pro Mist. I don't know what that is. We'll have to see, but yeah, that is a lot for that box. There's nothing else in it. But hey ho, right to the proper opening. I'm actually looking through the lens of the my phone. Right, this is the bag, which has got all the goodies in. So there you go. Here's your tag. It's Osmo Pocket carrying bag tag, which is black, which is kind of cool. It's like a wash bag sort of thing. I think it's because it's waterproof. You can take it out. And what's it got? I need holds just that holder, I think. So, and then you got a zip entry. Is it double zip? I don't know. Let's have a look. Hang on. It's confusing me now. I'm confused. Aren't we all? Right. Here we go. Let's have a look. Let's just see. Take this out. See what this one. I think this is the speaker. Yeah. It's got the clip for putting it on your sound. It's quite heavy, actually, that is. But the sound is supposed to be quite good. I'm actually using a Temu special at the moment, so we'll just have to see how good that is. Anything in this department? Can't see anything else. So we'll pop that just back inside so it doesn't get broken or anything or dropped. Oh, what's this? Oh, is this the power? Let's have a look. How do you get into these things? Why do they always make them stupid? Where's the... I think I'm going to have to rip this one. Oh no, it's got a bag opening. So, let's have a look. Yeah, I think that is the power. Or is it just the handle? Could be just the handle. I think that's just the handle. It's not a powered one. Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's got USB there. So it's actually USB 3.0. So put that to one side. What's in here? That's the camera itself. It's this middle bit. This feels more heavier. So is this the actual power pack? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's more of a power pack, which could come in handy. So I did just realised what I'd forgotten to buy as well. But I think I've got a few around. The memory stick, the memory cards, because obviously you have to use a memory card on this one. Yeah, that's definitely a power pack. I think that one's a power pack as well, but this one's a longer one. So hey ho. Just tells you mounting instructions. I think this coming out now is actually tripod. Yeah, it's the tripod. Isn't too bad. It's obviously got a thread on it, as you can see. So it just spins on. So there. Right. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Oh, we got these here. Some more silica. Don't need that. Right, that's the muff. That's for the speaker. Basically, if you're in it and it's the handle as well. When you're in like a windy place, you can stick that on and it sort of deflects the air sound. So I'll just put that back in there. Put there. What else is in there now? That is a magnet for the sound device, which you can have. Say you're standing away from the camera, you can speak, and it's quite comfy. So that basically holds that thing there onto your body. If you're just sitting down, I would not use it if you're how can I say, if you're doing sports activities, moving around, because I don't know how strong this magnet is going through clothes. It could fall out, and you do not want to lose that because that's quite small. It's a magnet basically. Hang on, what is in here now? That's your charging cable, which is, it's like basically like a Samsung charger. USB 3, I think they call it. 3.0. What else have we got in here? Don't think we got anything in there. Right, I think this now, I don't know where the lens is. I'll have to have a look. But yeah, here's the device. Still got it, obviously, because it's fresh out. It's quite a big one. So there's obviously your Pocket 3. As I was saying at the start, it's not light. So it's got a camera. Obviously, I'm going to have to charge this, so this is just an unboxing. And then obviously on the first review, I'll review it and then I'll get back to you, because you'll obviously see, because we're actually going away soon to Chessington and Legoland, that will be using this instead of my normal camera. I don't know where's the wide angled, or is that it there? I think we're missing something. Oh, hang on, what's this? Ah, there you go. There's the wide angled. I think I'll stick that on, because obviously when I do my videos, I want as much as I can on each side. So, oh, there you go, it's focusing. So yeah, that is the opening of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And as I was saying, at current time today, I paid £619 for, because it's the creator kit. So yeah, I'm hoping I'm gonna have to charge it up after, obviously, and then have a figure all around with it and see what it's good at, and at some point I'll give, as I was saying, review. So as it is now, they need charging. I don't know if this has got an internal battery or it's actually that's the battery. I'll have to look it up, because obviously I've never used the DJI camera. So other than that, thank you for watching and listening to my unboxing, and please subscribe, you share, you comment, and we'll see you again. Bye.
We packed our bags, the sun was rising high, hit the open road, just